Hi everyone, welcome to another video and another tutorial. In this tutorial video, we've put together a step-by-step guide on how to make a remote control car box cover from scratch. For this task, we need a template. Place the remote control on a white paper and carefully trace around it using a fine-tip pen, which I used from my own mechanical pencil. Be sure to mark the outline of the remote control accurately. Now it's time to mark the parts of the remote that need to be empty. Using a ruler, we carefully identify these areas, and different remotes may have different sizes for these areas. In this step, we use the ruler to find the center of the button on this remote. Now we select the size of the button and mark it on the template. Here, a size of 8 mm is the right choice. Now that the template is marked out completely and we've made the necessary cuts, we mark the areas where the walls of the remote should be empty. This means the precise location where the walls should go. Since I'm not a good painter and the template needs to be precise, I transferred the template image to Corel software and designed it accurately there. I should mention that we treat the outline of the remote as the sewing line and add 2.5 mm of space to the original template. After we've completely cut out the template and made the necessary cuts, we identify the parts that need to be stitched. Now it's time to transfer the template accurately onto the leather. Be sure to reverse the template for the back cover and then transfer it onto the leather. For better stability, we stick the cover onto a thinner leather. Now using a 3 and 8 millimeter punch, we make holes in the inner corners of the work to make cutting easier. Carefully cut out the work, both inside and outside, using a cutter. After cutting, use sandpaper to make sure the edges are smooth and clean. For extra beauty, you can draw decorative lines on the inside edges of the cover. After that, paint the colored edges of the template and walls. According to the height of the remote control, we determine the size of the walls. We take a leather strip of the same size as the walls, which here is 15 millimeters. The sewing line on the walls is the same as the outline of the body, 2.5 millimeters. Now it's time to rivet the parts of the work. This is done very simply with a needle, and be sure to double the first and last stitches and burn the tip with a lighter. Make sure that the colored edges of the walls are sewn under the body to give it a boxy appearance. Now we sew the back cover of the walls, and the work is finished just as easily. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. By the way, if you don't want to miss any of our videos, turn on channel notifications.